Hello, Alphabet Explorers. Welcome to Wejini Kids, where learning is magical and every giggle counts. Today, we're going on a fun-filled adventure from A to Z, meeting amazing animals, singing fun rhymes, and dancing through the alphabet. So snuggle up, smile wide, and get ready to learn and laugh with Wejini Kids. It's time for the ABCD Animal Parade. Let's go.
Walks in a line. B is for bird who sings so fine. C is for cow with spots that shine. D is for dog who says you're mine. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for fox who sneaks without sound. G is for goat who jumps off the ground. H is for hippo so heavy and bound. I is for iguana basking in sun. J is for jaguar who loves to run. K is for koala who naps when done. L is for lion, the roaring one. M is for monkey who swings with glee. N is for newt near the fallen tree. O is for owl who hoots, who's me. P is for penguin who slides so free. Q is for quail with feathers neat. R is for rabbit with hopping feet. S is for snake who slithers discreet. T is for tiger with stripes so sweet. U is for urchin deep in the sea. V is for vulture in a tall tree. W is for whale who sings with glee. X is for x-ray fish, shy as can be. Y is for yak with a woolly coat. Z is for zebra who loves to float. Now clap your hands and sing this note. We've met the animals row by row.
Hooray! You did it! That was so much fun! We met amazing animals from A to Z and sang, danced, and learned together with Wejini Kids. If you loved this adventure, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of magic. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep exploring with Wejini Kids. Goodbye.